Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. I recently purchased this pair of true wireless earbuds, the Awei T8, and I got them from AliExpress. I had the Awei T5, which were amazing and I would still recommend them. Anyway, we are here for the T8. Let's look around the package. At the back of the packaging, we have the different color options to choose from, and we have the specifications as well. Just pause the video if you want to know them. With all that being said, let's proceed with the unboxing. When you open the leaflet, you will see the charging case, well packed I would say, and some info about the earbuds. Let's start digging and see what goodies we get inside the packaging. We have the storage unit, which is also the charging cradle for the earbuds. It has the Awei branding and the model, which is T8. We have a micro USB charging cable, of course for charging the storage unit, which by the way is rated at 700 mAh. We also get silicone ear tips, as usual, small and large. Finally, we get the user manual. This time it will be helpful to read just to get the basics. Well, now let's look at the earbuds. First and foremost, opening the storage unit is really tricky. But once you open it, you'll see the earbuds. The storage unit is metal built, but it's not that heavy. There's also a USB type A, so you can use this unit as a power bank. Anyway, the earbuds are held there magnetically. The earbuds are really small and build quality is good. It's plastic built, which means they are comfortable to wear for longer periods of time. There's also a power button. To power the earbuds and enter in pairing mode, just hold the power button until it blinks red and blue. There's also voice assistance to let you know the current mode you're in. The overall sound quality is awesome and louder compared to the T5, and it's rated at 2.5 hours of continuous music listening. The charging port is placed at a weird place. You have to open the storage unit in order to charge it, and opening the unit is cumbersome. But overall, the earbud sound quality is amazing and so is the build quality. The battery life is okay. I would recommend it to anyone who is looking for cheap but good quality earbuds. Well, for now that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.